Let's take a look at another case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max from Humix. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have another case from Humix, very generic packaging as you've seen before on the channel. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what style of case we got. Now this is a lens protection case. As you can see, bam, it protects your camera lens at all costs there. Very good rugged style case, matted black, soft feel, feels pretty good in hand. But let's go ahead and grab the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Very snug fit, fits pretty good. You do have lip protection there all around the screen. Even with the tempered glass screen protector, you do have plenty of lip protruding over the screen, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. Now this is the absolutely maximum protection you can get for your camera lens. As you can see, very much lip there, and you do have a protective cover as well, so you are protected even with it open. You are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, or even when it's covered. You have the absolutely best protection you can get for your camera lens, so your camera lens definitely is not getting scratched with this device. And also it minimizes the rock motion. It does kind of prop up your phone at a slightly angled, but it's pretty cool because if you're one of those persons who like to leave your phone on the desk or like to text while it's on the desk, you can go ahead and text and type and stuff, and it eliminates the movement there. But very good protective case for your camera lenses and your phone. The buttons are 100% covered and textured there, and they're nice and tactile, very responsive. Mute slider easily accessible, and your cutouts at the bottom are nice and precise. No issues with the cutouts there. It does not add too much bulk to your phone, but you do get this ginormous lip here at the top. If you're okay with that, if you want absolutely protection for your camera lens, then this is the case for you. If you have any comments regarding this Humix case, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.